So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong, or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Again, this is 2trade Asia and ZFT FGD sessions every Monday, 3 p.m. So what's up sa inyo, guys? I hope you had a wonderful trading day. Sino na ba dito? Check. Ayan. So madami na tayong mga katribo dito, no? Andito na naman sila, mga suki. So we have shout out kay Oliver Austria. Grabe, parang wala pang na-miss si Oliver sa live sessions natin every Monday. When we first started, dito talaga lagi siya, no? Si John Mon din, good afternoon. Rochelle, our TL in Trading Republic, good afternoon. We have John, Adrian, Joshua, dito din, Dota Boys. Leovin, we have Teng, Samson, Gary Tugade, we have Kyle. What's up, Kyle? Jolan, watching from YouTube, dito din, si Boss Jolan. Boss Amads, good afternoon. Ness is here as well. Sabi niya, here for the special guests. Sino kaya yan? Si Ann is here. Good afternoon. We have Trend Rider. We have Paul Olado. Andito din si Lawrence. Andrel. RJ. Check EOD FGD, sabi niya. Okay. Si Boss Dean. Check, check, check. Premium is the way. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Alright. And since naghihintay pa tayo sa iba, no? May mga, I'm pretty sure may iba pang manonood. Andito din pala si Boss Ken Cabonce. Monday Premium represents. So good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. It's been a great week last week, no? And looking at the markets right now, I was checking the markets right now. I haven't done any trading at all. I'm just looking at some names. Medyo, to be quite honest, dry yung market because the PSU market is declining, and I hope walang medyo walang natamaan sa inyo. Okay? Pengi naman pang kape, sabi ni Theometer Camtech. Okay, good afternoon sa iyo, sir. Masyadong mainit, sir. Nagkakape ka ngayon? Ano ba ngayon? Umuulan pala. Past few days. So, let's get into it, no? Ano ba nangyayari sa market? Before I share my screen, like I've mentioned, I'm not sure if I've mentioned, we'll have a guest for today. So he's actually one of our good friend and also a trader in Trading Republic. So he's from ZFT. And he will be helping us today and give insights about ano nangyayari sa PSE and what are his thoughts about the market. So help me welcome everyone, CRM, also known as Zero. Yun.
Yun. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
All right.
By the way,
ayun.
sige bro, ikaw muna.
Can you introduce yourself and for everyone na hindi ka nakakilala, saan ka ba galing, ilang years ka na ba nag-trade, what do you do, where do you learn trading, stuff like that?
Okay. I'm RM. Currently a funded trader from ZFT Capital. So, member din ako ng TR. And graduate ako sa mentorship ni Money Growers way back 2018. So, 5 years na ako nasa market. And I'm currently trading PSE and crypto. So, ayun bro. Thank you for having me.
Alright. So, sa mga hindi alam, no? Si Money Growers, I'm pretty sure a lot of the viewers here knows about Money Growers. Idol natin yan. It's a good friend of ours. So, my question is, ilan ba kayo sa mentorship ni Money Growers that time? May mga classmates ka ba dyan when you had the mentorship?
Yes. I think I remember mga 10 kami. And kabatchmate ko nun si Dave, si King Trade.
Okay.
Shout out King Trade.
Alright. Sino pa? Sino pa kabatchmate mo nun? Na still trading right now? You still remember?
Hindi na masyado eh. Kasi medyo nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, medyo nawala yung namin contacts eh.
Oh.
Kasi,
okay. Alright. So, si RMs, for those who don't know, sila, I think sila yung second batch after Cosmos and, tama ba, Ron?
Yes.
Kayo yung after batch after nila Cosmos. Okay, so sa mga di alam, Cosmos, our senior mentor, is also under Aki. kay Money Growers. So sila yung second batch na RM. All right, so RM has been trading for 5 years na din, no? Trading the PSE market and crypto. So right now, he's gonna help us share his thoughts about what's happening with the, of course, the Philippine market. So I'll be sharing my screen now, and tignan natin, no? Okay la. Okay la. All right. So we're using the charting platform provided by us by 2trade. So what do you think is going on with the market right now, RM? Are we still good? What are your thoughts? Are we gonna be protective muna since the market is on red right now, or bullish pa rin tayo yung outlook mo sa market, or what are your thoughts here?
Sa akin kasi if you will switch yung chart mo sa sa weekly, we've been going up for around how many weeks na ba? Around
Starting from here,
4
1, 2,
weeks.
3, 4. Yeah, 4 weeks.
So, para sa akin, natural lang siya na to retrace. So, we have to we have to give them to space yung to breathe pa para makabuelo.
Okay. So breather basically. So expected tong
Yes.
retracement na to?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So in your experience, mga ilang weeks kaya yung magagandang retracement na potential gagawin ng market, no? Would it take like 2 to 3 or a month of retracement? Ano yung healthy na retracement for you? How many weeks would that take? Based from your
Sa akin
experience.
2 to 3. 2.
2 to 3.
Yes.
All right. 2 to
Pero
3.
sana if yung retracement hindi na masyadong deep na kasi I'm sa daily kasi I'm seeing the the 100 the 20 MA. So hopefully hanggang
Catch
doon
up.
lang siya or catch up lang siya.
Okay, sige. So 20 MA, I think makulay yung natin. Makulay yung fibs natin. We'll try to change the color of it. Ay, pangit. I'll go white. Okay. So ito yung mga levels na we're looking at. Bakit -1 to? Wait lang, guys. So we're looking at 20 MA and hoping to see the market retrace around siguro this level only. Sana, no? Para hindi masyadong malalim. But overall market outlook, are you looking at a good run for the for the last quarter ng PSE? Are you still bullish? Are you bullish? Since we're 6 months down with PSE, no? Ano yung outlook mo? Are we still good?
Yes. We're still good kasi kakaano pa lang natin kaka-recover pa lang Baga may mga signs of recovery na sa daily charts natin. And we've been down for 6 months. I believe this is the time na medyo nandun na yung participation ng karamihan.
All right. Yun. So actually same tayo ng outlook, no? For me, for the past few weeks that the market was trying to bottom out, no? Dito banda. I really believe that this was the time for you to be buying. And the pullbacks that is going on right now is just basically for you to hold onto your good positions. Maganda yung AP mo. I really believe it is my conviction, basically, to just hold on to your positions rather than to transfer from one stock to another. The market might retrace, the market might consolidate here, but since our outlook with the PSE is still good, maybe we'll have another run in the next few months or weeks. So tingnan natin. But definitely, we're expecting already a pullback at this level. So siguro the deeper, I mean, pinakamalalim would be this 6.5 area would be the retracement for PSE market. All right. So thank you for that, RM. Let's go ahead and take a look at some interesting stocks. Ano yung mga tinitignan mo ngayon? That's on your watch list, RM. Maybe we can talk about it.
Okay, yung priority ko ngayon is Balay.
Okay.
That's my priority trade.
Balay. All right. So let's take a look at this stock. So bakit mo siya priority na stock to trade?
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Sa akin kasi kaka-ano lang siya kaka-break lang niya from all-time high and currently nagra-retrace siya. So for me it's a good entry sa swing niya
Mm-hmm.
since kaka-retrace lang niya.
All right. So, bias mo dito is a continuation. So, you have mentioned actually earlier off cam na you tried to buy here some shares. Is that right?
Yes. So
Okay.
bought
And can I ask?
shares well ago.
Okay. Can I ask saan yung cut loss mo dito in case it would not continue?
Yung invalidation ko lang is 0.79. If ma-break niya yung 0.80 sa
Okay.
box
So,
bottom.
0.80. So, this is going to be the cut loss, no? All right.
Yeah.
So, buying within the swing near 10 MA. Um, Yeah, this is a good stock. I believe this is a good stock. I'm still holding on to it. My core shares here, dito banda, I'm still holding on to it and trying to ride the trend. Like I've mentioned, pullbacks are expected. This type of pullbacks are expected. But of course, if this goes down below 80, then I think that would be a good time to sell. But hopefully, dito lang siya mag-run, mag-consolidate, and we'll still continue the trend forward. Shoutout pala kay Angelito, si Beck, who's on vacation right now in Palawan. So, careful sa mga dahan-dahan sa pagkain. Dahan-dahan sa pagkain. We have, sino pa man dito? Fritz, Tet, and Joshua. Good afternoon sa inyo. All right. So, Balay. Balay is the number one priority ni RM, and this is actually my priority stock too. So I'm looking at how would I be able to strengthen my shares, core shares here. No? So let's go with another stock. What stock are you looking at, RM? Other stocks.
Currently, I'm holding CTS.
Oh, interesting. CTS. Okay, CTS. So what about this? Anong meron dito sa CTS? Bakit mo siya gusto na stock?
So, nag-enter ako nung sa swing niya. Since nagra-rally siya and meron siyang short-term uptrend.
Uh-huh.
Then, nakita ko siya like mga 10% na lang from its all-time high. So, it's approaching in all-time high. So, tinrade ko siya. Initial tranche.
Okay. So, ayan po. So, this is the resistance zone ni Espenek. So, that's around 10 to... The highest, the week niya is around 12%, no? If we're gonna include the week. So, you're looking at you bought at swing and then bias would be a breakout from this all-time high. Tama ba?
Yes.
Kaya ka bumili. Ano ba yung tsura ng weekly chart nito? Oh, okay. So, interesting, no? Wait lang. Ayan. Okay. So, we have resistances on the left side. Ako naman, looking at CTS, good siya for me. Shorter term uptrend. Siguro sana mag-big siya, no? Before it breaks out para mas swabe yung breakout na dito. So, maybe a cup and handle pattern would be very good. Something like this. That would be interesting. All right. Any other stocks that you're looking at?
ASEX.
ASICs. Oh, okay. So what about ASICs?
Sa akin
Um, mhm.
ano pa siya eh. I'm waiting for a breakout sa around 8 around 17.5 before ko siya i-entry yan. Parang ang parameters ko is gusto ko muna magkaroon ng strength yung boss breakout. Gusto ko muna
Mm.
makita yung boss breakout before ko siya maano. Pero yun, nasa watchlist ko siya. I'm waiting lang for a breakout.
All right, waiting for a breakout. So looking at it, all MAs are below prices already. The stock is basically, making a base. And yeah, looking at it, naman, all accumulation volumes are very good. There's no sell-off volume yet. And there's a higher chances that this stock would break out from 1705 to 750. So that would be our resistance level. Yeah, very clear resistance level. 1705 to 750. So, ligyan natin ng notification yan, guys. Baka mag-breakout and baka tumuloy yung trend. Ano bang weekly chart nito? Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay. Oh, tama. Pag nag-break siya, it's gonna be above all MAs din to. If aabot ng 20. No? Sige, this is a good stock to have. Lagay nga natin sa watchlist to kasi wala ko si A6. Hindi ko pa na watchlist to ah. So I'll be putting this one on my watch list too, just in case, we'll have a breakout soon. All right. Ano pa next, RM? Ano pa tinitignan natin dyan?
Ano pa ba? Ito lang personal ko lang. MM. Looking for
Okay.
MM. Same with ASEX. So I'm waiting
Mhm.
for a breakout sa
Okay. Interesting, ah.
around
MM, ah.
1.6
1.66. Okay. So ngayon, basically, or you're just watching kung anong type of consolidation yung gagawin niya, but you're gonna be buying at 166 once it breaks out. Tama ba?
above that.
Above
So
that.
para
Okay.
yun. Gusto ko na ma-establish muna yung breakout before ko siya kunin sa swing.
Okay. So basically, parang ganito ka bumibili. Breakout and then retrace, then buy.
Retrace, yes.
All right. Ayos ah. So, ganito pala mag-isip si RM when it comes to buying, so watches niya. So, may question dito kay Joshua Angelo, no? We're gonna go back. Sige, since the question is for ASICS, let's try to go back for here sa ASICS. May question siya dito, RM. Um, uh, pag-iisip, pag-iisipan nyo pa lang po entry after the breakout, why not enter on the breakout itself? That's the question. Bakit hindi na lang
But
sa 705 or 1705 breakout instead of waiting for the swing?
usually kasi binibili ko siya on a breakout. Pero yung
Mm-hmm.
breakout na yun is just para test buy ko pa lang. So in order
Mm.
for me to have it a full allocation, gusto ko meron ng gusto ko establish yung breakout niya para yung odds of favor nasa sa akin. Kasi pwede
Oh.
siya mauntog eh. Pwede siya mauntog eh. We have to respect the resistance levels eh.
Mm. Okay, interesting. So, basically, namimili ka rin sa breakout pero parang participation shares lang or test
Yes.
buy as you have mentioned. And then pag nag-establish na siya yung breakout, say for example, may ganyan. So, you're getting your shares here, somewhere here. Establish yung breakout. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. So, nice. Thank you for the wonderful question, Joshua. So I hope we were able to answer that. We'll go back to MM, no? So here at MM, all right. So 166, we're looking at 166, 165 resistance. Right now, so basically right now, parang observe lang. Tama ba?
Yeah. Yes.
Observe. By the way, guys, if you have questions on the stocks that we're looking at, feel free to ask some questions on the comments below. We'll try to answer all. We'll try to answer as much as we can. Especially if very interesting yung questions. So maybe we can may mapulo tayo dyan sa mga questions nyo guys. So keep on asking if you have some questions. Okay, so going back, um, looking at it, we have a RSI 70. We have a good volume accumulation over here. All MAs are below prices. It's not yet on AOTS, so I believe if it will consolidate some more, no, all MAs will be below prices na, and baka mag AOTS na siya pag nag-breakout na. So hopefully that's gonna be the case, no. Right now, yeah, same thoughts. Just gonna ano lang to siya for me. Watch, no, watch. That's basically what I'm gonna do here. Any other stocks? RM?
Yung isa ko pa nakikita is yung tags. Medyo
Oh,
strong.
itogs. Ganda ng trend ah. I believe you were able to get it at breakout, tama ba?
Yes,
Or
breakout.
dito banda? Are you still holding it or did you sell it already?
Already sold it at 1.30.
1.30. Can you share us paano mo siya tinake? Like how did you watch this it? Where did you buy and why did you sell at 130?
So initially, binili ko siya on breakout. Like what I said do sa sa ASX kanina.
Mhm.
So I bought that breakout initial.
Mhm.
Then binili ko siya yung second tranche ko, binili ko siya na around 1.07 sa retest ng breakout. Yung may week,
Oh,
yan, yung may week.
okay. So next would be here, this one. Ito. Tama ba?
Yung may long week. Parang
Okay.
around 2 days yata after ng
Yeah,
breakout.
2 days after.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
Then yung
why did
third,
you sell at 130 though?
binenta ko siya on a box TP. Yung range nung previous breakout.
Okay. So
Di ba
for those guys
we
who
have
are very
box TP.
new, sa mga audience natin, maybe they're gonna ask, ano yung box TP, sir? Paano yung box TP? So RM mentioned, yung range ng breakout. Sige, can you continue?
That's only a 100% nung range ng breakout.
Oh, okay. So basically, on this range, 100%, parang minove niya lang to this one to get to 130. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. So, yun. May natutunan na naman tayo, guys. How to set target price. Box TP. Thank you very much. Boss RM. No? Ayan. So, sa mga people who don't know where to put the target prices, this is one of the classic target price parameters that we use here in Trading Republic. We have box TP. So, this consolidation of here, all you need to do is just basically times 2. Kung ano yung length nito, ganun lang din yung gagawin mo. And then set the target price there. So that's basically what box TP is. So since you've sold already, what are you planning to do here next? Are you looking for consolidation? Ano bang expectations natin dito?
Yes, I'm looking for consolidation since wala pa yung since yung recent weeks niya nagra-rally lang siya. So I'm waiting for a base ulit before breaking up.
Okay. So maybe somewhere here.
Yes,
So we'll
yes.
see
Around
na
120.
120. All right. So
120.
a bigger range. Okay. So baka mag-catch up pa yung 20 MA, no? And then it might
Yes.
consolidate there and then boom, a continuation for dogs. Ano ba itsura ng weekly chart nito? Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay. Okay, very interesting. All right. So that's for dogs. Let's go ahead and take a look at other stocks. Ano pa yung mga other stocks na tinitignan mo, RM?
SSI.
SSI. Okay, very interesting. Oh, by the way, before we continue, guys, just a quick before ko makalimutan, no? For those guys again, na is still very new in trading and does not have any good brokerage account yet, Or maybe nasa brokerage account ka na, sobrang luma na, sobrang bagal, tapos wala pang conditional orders. I was able to confirm that 2Trade Asia is actually offering the Prime account with the starting amount of 10,000 only. So dati kasi guys, kailangan 50,000 or 100,000 yung account mo for you to get the Prime account. But right now, 2Trade Asia is offering the Prime account for only 10,000 pesos. So conditional orders would be there. If you're using, if you're putting 10,000 on when you open your 2Trade Asia account, andun na lahat. Yung kung ano yung mga features na nasa Prime, makukuha mo siya on by opening at least 10,000, no? So if you don't have any accounts yet or you want to transfer from one brokerage to another, click on the link provided below. We have 2Trade Asia. Some of the benefits lang, no, guys. If especially if you're very new in trading, we have free classes for level 0 to level 1 traders who wants to invest in the stock market, the Philippine stock market. We have free lessons there, videos, and some articles. So you can just click on the link again on the comment section provided. All right. And of course, the most, ano ba, most malupet, no? na course ng ZFT, which is technical intensive, is still open and still are accepting students. That would be the classes will start this coming August 29. So we still have last. This is the last week that we will be accepting students. So I think we're going around 50 plus now already who's already signed up. Actually, we had a, what do you call this? A TI primer or TI or technical intensive open house that was last Saturday, and I think around, yeah, almost 100 joined the free session. So there were some lessons that we gave, especially the premier, the weapons that we are using in ZFT, you know. So na-discuss siya doon. And hopefully, again, like I've mentioned, if you're doubting or, you know, if you're having second thoughts or whatsoever, ask questions, friends who already enrolled, get feedback, and, you know, we'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited. Very, very excited to see you guys. So, ayun lang. Click on the link provided, ZFT, Technical Intensive course, guys. Kita kits. And shout out kay Boss JT Drake. Nice sa mga students ko. Shout out kay Cesar Gasalatan. Office mate ko, bagong recruit na trade. Power, ah. May mga recruit, yung recruit ni JT, iba talaga eh. Sana okay na recruitment yan, ha? So shout out kay Cesar. Welcome to the stock market. Okay, going back, SSI. So speaking of SSI, actually our tech here also has this one. And I believe he's still holding on to this stock. I think, if I'm not mistaken, dito niya nakuha banda, consolidation. And he's just patiently holding on to this. How about you, RM? What are your thoughts? Bakit SSI?
Paano kamukha siya nung Tugs eh. So parang same
Okay.
ano lang siya. Pero mas mas bigger range si SSI kasi binuhusan.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking for longer consolidation pa. Siguro mga 1 week pa.
Okay. So looking at it, SSI is trying to reverse one more week consolidation before we'll see a potential run or down. And if ever I think the invalidation, we will both agree if it will break down at this level, no? Pag 144 below, parang malabo na talaga, no?
Yes.
All right. So, ayun, SSI. All right. So, very, very classic lang, no? Yung mga stocks na hinahanap natin. If you're really attending our FGD during Mondays, every 3 p.m. with ZFT and 2trade Asia. Halos lahat ng movers, not all, but halos lahat ng movers we were able to get, especially um, the movers that matters, no? The strong ones. So hopefully dito kayo. Any other stocks that you're looking at, RM?
Last na, yung Aslang.
Oh, Aslag. Interesting. What about here? What about this stock, Aslag? Ano meron? But
Nakita ko
nakita
kasi
mo
yung
na? Mhm.
nakita ko yung structure niya, nag-establish siya ng ng higher low niya.
Mm.
And I'm looking for lang, breakout para para ma-confirm ko yung strength niya kasi pwede pa siya mag-consolidate longer.
Okay. So ganyan, no?
So we have mini uptrend above 20, above 10.
Okay. I see. So actually, yeah, we were able to spot Aslag here, this level over here, past few weeks, no? And actually, nag-breakout siya tumuloy. And then right now, we want to see a good structure in case, and a breakout of 1 to 2 pesos would be really good, and see if it can mabalikan niya yung all-time high niya na levels. Right now, we're just watching this one closely. Aslag. So, no touch muna. Tingin-tingin muna kung ano yung gagawin niya in the next few days. Right. So, I think that was the last stock, sabi mo, RM? Or meron pa ba na mga tinitignan mo?
Wala na. Yun na yun.
Before we visit other stocks. Okay, thank you very much. So, RM, this time, we'll be asking our viewers, no? Ano ba yung mga stocks na hawak nila or maybe stocks that they're looking at, and then we can comment on it. Pag wala muna, I'll start with some names because there are some interesting names na watch natin, no? Let me go first with EMI. So guys, if you have stocks that you wanna us to comment on it, just comment it down below and we'll see kung ano yung mga pwede nating ma-comment dyan. Okay, so we have Emperador, EMI, Emperador. If you've been following us, guys, sa charting natin, we started talking about Emperador, I think dito pa lang banda. So one of the key factors that we were looking at is this range here. We want to make sure that this stock breaks out from that resistance. And ngayon, nag-consolidate and then boom, nag-breakout siya, no? This is actually one of the reasons why in ZFT we don't really use trend line breakouts. Because take a look at this trend line, hindi mo alam kung breakout ba siya o hindi o saan ba siya magbe-breakout. Tama ba itong pagka-drawing or ganyan? Yan, breakout siya dito. Tama naman pala. Subjective kasi masyado. But anyways, we're looking at the trend line breakout and then this tight consolidation breakout over here. Like I mentioned before, no? Na what we want is a breakout with a very strong volume. Yun yung gusto nating makita. Which is what we're seeing past few weeks and days, no? This one, a breakout with a very good volume, another one continuation over here, and right now, a continuation. So if you bought breakout, you're basically up already at around 10%. So congratulations if you were able to trade this. Now the question na lang is, how would you be selling it? Okay, are you gonna trend follow it? Are you looking at the gap here? Because we have a gap resistance on the left side. We also have a boss resistance on the left side. So I think this is the all-time high. Ilang percent na ba to para ma-break niya? Around 14% para ma-break niya yung all-time high. So the question is, if you bought this, when are you going to be selling and where are you going to be selling? Are you going to be selling at gap resistance? Are you going to be selling at boss resistance? Are you going to trail it? Are you going to trend follow it and stomach the retracements for a potential bigger reward? That would be some of the questions that you need to answer. Ikaw, RM, pag you were able to buy here at the breakout, saan mo siya, how would you sell it? What would be your thoughts here?
I will sell it on gap resistance.
Okay. Gap resistance. So maybe around this level over here, 14%, no? The gap
Yeah.
resistance. So can I ask the reason why? Bakit gap resistance yung napili mo?
Yung kasi yung ano yung madalas na move when it comes to gaps. Minsan fini-fill nila, then mag-aano siya, then magre-retrace. So merong
Mm,
reaction during gaps pag nafi-fill.
I see. I see. So ako naman, I guess I'll have to, my bias would be a sell to for this type of stock. I mean, looking at it, the structure ni EMIC, guys, pwede siyang i-trend follow. Definitely. You have a big base over here and then pwede mo i-trend follow and look for a potential breakout. Ako naman, if I'm gonna trade EMI, here are my personal thoughts and how would I personally handle the trade. So if I bought here, I'd be selling at the gap or above the gap or at strength. And the reason for that is I don't want to trend follow a DNA who does like something like this. Usually si Emmy is like a momentum move na take a look at this. Parang ganito lang na move and then afterwards consolidate na matagal and then that's. So this one, here are my thoughts, parang ganun lang na move and then consolidate. Tapos bilhin ko na lang ulit siya pag breakout siya. Ganun yung thinking ko. I don't wanna wait for a long consolidation. There would be some traders who would trend follow this, no problem. So I think this one, we have a breakout, a long consolidation again. We have a breakout, deep correction, and then long consolidation here. So ganun yung DNA ni Emmy, no? Ni Emperador. So looking at it, basing from its DNA move, I'd only be trading the momentum, not the trend. But again, like I've mentioned, this stock is good for a trend follow type of move because it's slow, suabe lang. So if this is for you, then you can just basically trail your saan ka magta-trail ganyan. Choose your trails and look at if it will break out from there and hold on to it. Just remember that DNA ni Emmy is a long consolidation. So just for ano lang, for expectations, no? Purpose. So that would be for Emmy. So Boss Fritz pala yun ang sabi. So si Raymond sabi ni RSP, we have SEC, our all-time favorite stock since we started to trade Asia Live. So SEC. RM, what are your thoughts here for SEC?
Actually mistrade ko siya
Mm-hmm.
So supposed to be dapat in hindsight, dapat nasa ang buying natin nasa swing ng 20 MA
Okay, are you talking about this one over here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So may straight siya. So looking at it, are you still planning to trade it or hindi na?
Uh, I'm planning to trade it pag pag nag-trade ulit siya. Since
Mm.
siya for me it's a slow moving stock pa
Mm-hmm.
Kaya sa 20 siya yung sa 20 yung trail niya So
Okay.
I'll be waiting for 20 ulit.
Okay, so 20 if gumanyan siya ulit, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so dito namimili. All right. And how about it if it breaks? Are you planning to buy it if it will break out from there? We have a very tight consolidation dito, no? Cute consolidation. So if it breaks out from there, ipapas mo ba or you'll still buy some shares if it breaks from there?
Siguro initial tranche participation shares for breakout.
Okay. All
Then
right.
core shares same pa
The
rin
swing.
sa swing.
Okay. All right. So looking at it, the weekly chart, ganda pa ng start, ganda pa ng trend niya, guys. We have a very strong move. One thing I like about this, again, it's approaching its resistance at 50. So we'll see. By the way, sa mga iba din, SEC more on coal, I believe, and coal is all-time approaching all-time high too. So that might cause, if ever global prices in coal would break out, it might cause a breakout with SEC2. So ilang percent na lang ba to para all-time high? Ayan, 15%. Konting kembot na lang. Tignan natin in the next few days if bibilis si FCC or not. Hopefully though, bibilis to. All right, so that is for SEC. Let's take a look at other stocks here. We finished na tayo ng Balay. Let's go Ani. Let's go Ani. Kasi ang watchlist din natin to, no? Actually, na-trade to ng mga tao pero napagpag. It's so funny. I'm not laughing at them. It's just so funny because sabay-sabay silang nag-watchlist nito and sabay-sabay silang napagpag, I think, around I think around here. And I'm not sure if they were able to buy back the move here, no? But this is a very classic move when you're dealing with illiquid stocks. Tama ba, RM? Parang mapapatayo ka talaga every time it traces, no? Kasi parang ang
Yes.
lalim talaga. So, Annie, what are your thoughts, RM? Are you are you good with this?
I think pass ako dyan. Dahil sa, not
Oh.
because the chart, pero the structure and the DNA, mahaba yung mga weeks niya. So, ano siya, prone siya for shakeout. Though
Oh.
maganda yung chart niya.
Oh, okay. So, mga negative 20. Yung mga negative 20 na parang mapapatayo ka talaga nito, Brad. Alam ko po, mga ganyan na retrace sa isang araw, no? Hirap naman pala nito, Brad. Ayan, no? Negative 16. So no wonder, no, this type of retracement is not new to Ani because of liquidity-wise, hirap talaga siya. This type of move over here, boom. All right. Pero right now, volume is coming in naman. Look at we have a good volume over here, and the consolidation is basically tightening already. So let's see if the DMA will catch up. Let's take a look at in the next few weeks. But definitely, Ani chart wise very good. What I don't
Yes.
like is the DNA and liquidity. Yun lang yung ayaw ko talaga. So yun. I think we're good with that. Ano ba weekly chart ni Ani? Okay, kaka-ZS lang pala niya. All right. So that is for Ani. Well, let's go with Aba. So yan yung ni-request ni Sir Raymond RSP. Aba, okay. RM, what are your thoughts? Aba.
Buy yan, buy.
Okay. So, buy daw kay RM.
Smash
That's
tayo,
good. I mean,
smash tayo yan.
smash dito sa kay Aba. Can you share why?
Ano pa siya eh? Nasa strong uptrend pa siya eh.
Mm-hmm.
And it's currently catching up sa 20 MA.
Mm-hmm.
So, what I need lang is yung confirmation ng swing niya.
Okay. So, you're looking at like a green candle na dapat
Yes,
mag-hold
green
siya.
candle. Then,
Alright.
tight cuts lang. So, for me, it's a low risk kasi mababa lang yung percentage nung ikakat mo.
Okay. So, maybe if you buy somewhere here, maybe the cut would be around 2%, 3%?
Yes.
Tama ba? Okay.
Yes.
So, actually, looking at it kay Aba, the structure is very good. However, I'm just a bit worried about the momentum, no? Nawawala yung momentum ni Aba. Looking at it, starting from here to here, nagkaroon na tayo ng breakdown ngayon, actually, nag-breakdown na tayo ng 70 MA. During this time, if you can take a look at this time, guys, puro RSI 70, si Aba, no? And then ngayon, nag-breakdown sa RSI 70. That's the only thing that I'm worried about, the momentum of Aba after hitting so many, the first time ata or ano ba? Triple top divergences? Hindi pala. Wala pala. Equal RSI lang pala to. Akala ka lower low. But yeah, yun lang. And a heavy volume sell-off here that would make me uncomfortable looking at it. So, but if this stock will break out from its resistance here, then I think that would still be a buy for me. So prices will always speaking. That would be my thoughts for ABA. So I would not be too much aggressive siguro, hindi masyado for me personally, but I'll take the breakout in case it breaks from there. So iba-iba kaming stance ni RM guys, no? So it depends upon your personality, your setups, and of course your conviction on those type of trades. So anong oras ba? 3:50. So we can still get some share some stocks here. Yeah, sabi ni Joshua, no? Sell off din po ABA today volume wise. Yes, that is true. So huge, very very huge volume over here. I'm not sure if this is a ano guys Hindi ko sure if cross trade, but with that type of heavy volume, that is a sell, really a sell volume. Tayo, nawala yung chart guys. Ayun, nasa pinaka-left. Ayun. Cross trade pala yung volume. Thank you for verifying that. Cross trade pala yung volume. So, thank you very much. So basically, if this is a cross trade, then I'll wait for the breakout still. I'll wait for the breakout. So MM is done. Um, ano pa ba na pupusuan natin dito sa mga sinishare ng ating beloved viewers? Si sabi ni Andre Alaso, IDC. It's been a long time, no? Na narinig kong stock code na to. IDC. Ano kaya meron dito? Oh, okay. RM, what do you think? IDC. Smash or pass?
Pass muna.
Okay. Can I have the
So,
reason why?
it's currently building a base, but as usual, dun tayo sa mas prefer ko yung may strength na, which is breakout.
Mm-hmm. All right. So since same sentiments, this is a strong downtrend for me. Alam ko you're looking at siguro sa other people looking at CS here, but then again, that's not a confirmed uptrend. It can do something like this. So I'd really pass on it. This is a pass for me. This is a downtrend stock. I'm not gonna be making money trading downtrend stocks. Then ako sa uptrend, so mas confirm, sabi ni RM. So we have the same sentiments here. By the way, sabi ni Will, no, EMI pasok sa FTSE. Okay. So pasok na pala sa FTSE si anong meaning ulit nito? Basta something funded, something consolidate, group of stocks that are included on the list. So ayun, for your information lang. VUL. So itong mga names na to na hindi ko nakikita sa watchlist ko. Curious tuloy ako. RM. Smash or pass?
Pass.
Okay, pass din
Pass,
ako.
pass.
Pass din ako. Downtrend. Again, not gonna be making money here. Catching the bottom, so I'll pass on it. Seb. Can we have Seb? Mavic Di Castro. Sabi niya Seb and Converge po. So, Seb. How about this? Seb. RM.
Range trade, pwede. Pero,
Mhm.
personally, pass ako sa mga ganyan.
Okay. So, ako din. I'm gonna say pass for this. Definitely, the stock is just ranging around there. So if you really wanna trade this stock, maybe you wanna buy some here and then sell somewhere here. So it's basically a range trade. I'll say pass on it. Converge. Take a look at Converge. In a long time. Converge. Yuck. Yuck. I don't even wanna ask RM if he's gonna trade this. This is a yucky stock, guys. Potential pa siya mag-break down, no, from this low over here. So I'd definitely say it's a pass. I'm not gonna be trading this type of stocks. FGen. Let's go FGen. Ang meron sa FGen Corporation. Ooh, reversal. Ikaw, RF, trip mo ba to?
Pass din.
Mm-hmm. So, ako pass din. I'd say I'd pass on it still. Downtrend pa rin to. And blue chip to, if I'm not mistaken. So, pass muna ako dito din. PX. So, PS is like a mining stock. So, how about this? Are you good with this, PX?
Naupas din ako. Pero
Oh.
some traders na bottom pick yan.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Pero that's not my
people
ano eh. Not my
40.
profile. Oo.
Yeah, same thing. I have setups for this, but I'd rather choose the other stocks that are already trending. Trend trader talaga kami ni RM. So I'd say pass on this personally. Yeah. GMA7. Okay, very interesting. Grabe, may mga names talaga na hindi wala sa watchlist ko, guys, na bigla na lang napupunta dito, no. So curious tuloy ako ano yung mga mukha ng mga stock na to. GMA7, RM, smash or pass?
Pass, pass.
Pass. I'd pass on this too. Downtrend pa rin siya. I mean, sideways on a downtrend. This is a potential continuation. So sabi ni Gio Miligrito, tech daw, retracement. Saan? Where to buy? First tranche? Oh, ganda. Very specific yung question. Where to buy? First tranche. Okay. By the way, tech, ilan bang viewers natin for today? Tignan natin. 115. Wow. So average talaga tayo ng around 100, no? Or 80 to 100 plus. So good afternoon sa inyong lahat, guys. Good afternoon. So going back sa question ni Sir. Asa na 'yon? Tech retracement, where to buy first tranche. Oh, eh. Okay, RM. Anong thoughts mo about this?
Actually may kwento ako diyan. Binili
Okay,
ko siya
sige.
binili ko siya nung nakaraan dun sa may mini higher low, yung green candle.
This one?
Yan. Binili ko
Oh,
siya,
okay.
initial tranche. Tas stop lang
Aha.
natin is yung box low.
Mhm. So basically here.
So binenta ko siya nung ni-reject yung breakout niya
This one?
sa red.
Oh,
No, isa
okay.
pa, yung isa pa.
Okay. So
Before.
this
Hindi, yung
before
isa
this
pa.
one.
Yan. Kasi
Okay.
hindi na-stop yung breakout niya, hindi ganun kalakas and
Uh-huh.
nag-form siya ng bearish divergence.
Okay. I see.
So since yung bias ko diyan is dapat sana mag-breakout din yung RSI niya to confirm the strength.
Mhm.
So nabenta ko siya. So hindi ko na nabalik kasi nagtuloy-tuloy na eh.
Yeah. Actually, ako din. Yung buy ko was this one. Same tayo ng buy, RM. This is my favorite setup. The CTP setup. And then I added at the breakout. So may AP is around 3. Basta 3 something, di ko na maalala. So I have some shares over here, I have some shares over here. And then binenta ko siya nung hindi siya dito ako nagbenta. Medyo late yung benta ko, pero for me, it was like the confirmed na hindi siya tumuloy yung move na to, no. So nag-breakdown siya here. I sold everything and never looked back. And looking at it, I'd say
Pass na.
pass on it. Currently, siya, nasa support level niya to. But if you're someone who's very fan of looking trading some stuff like this, I'd say buy the strength after the dip. So ito yung dip niya, kung may strength, doon siya first buy. Cut loss mo would be the low of this candle. So kunyari, green candle tomorrow, signing strength, that can be a first tranche. The cut loss mo is 280 below. So that's how I'm gonna trade tech. But right now, pass. I'd wait for him to recover here, maybe consolidate somewhere here before buying it again. But tech is still in my lists. So ayun, done na. We have medic. Can we go medic? Very interesting to mga stocks na to, guys. I'd say pass on it. About you, RM?
Pass.
Okay. CNPF. And PF. Oh, eto. CNPF. Is this interesting for you?
Pati na weekly.
Alright, napatingin sa weekly, guys. Napatingin sa weekly. Okay. Ayan po ang weekly chart. Ayan po ang weekly chart.
Siguro I'd say wait.
Wait.
Pero personally, hindi ko siya iti-trade kasi I'm not hindi ako nagte-trade ng mga heavy cap.
Mm,
Pero
okay.
structure-wise, maganda yung chart-wise, may potential.
Yes. Yes, yes. Actually, looking at it right now, actually na-watch namin to, I think last week dito banda. And very interesting siya for me personally because he's doing a VCP setup. So yeah, personally, I think I'll be trading. I'll be trading this. Take it. Ito yung range niya una, and this is the range that he's doing right now from 19 to 14, and then right now is going tighter and tighter. Ngayon nasa 8 na siya. Definitely for me, structure wise, this is a buy stock for me, especially if it breaks at around 26. Um, but if I were to trade this, I'd be getting some shares. Magbibid-bid lang siguro ako somewhere here. Ayan. And then if hindi mabigyan, then breakout, wala ka ng choice. But for me, yeah, and then almost, malapit na siya all-time high, guys. Oh. So ilang percent na lang ba to? Going all-time high. Around 13%. So not bad. Yeah, this is a buy for me. This is smash definitely. So trade well, guys. And how do you manage this moving forward? CNPF. Mm-hmm. Ano pa bang interesting stocks that we have here? CNPF. PAX. Did we do PX already? Tapos na ba to? Tapos na. SGP. SGP. Okay, SGP. Alam mo, may stupid akong ginawa dito kay SGP. So, SGP coming from a namatay na stock, Synergy. So, nag-consolidate si SGP and then, ayan. So, we have a consolidation in SGP. You have good volume here and then we have a breakout. And then, RM, do you think this is a good stock for you?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, okay. Where are you looking to buy in case
In case, on retest,
retest? So you're looking
uh,
for retracement ganon.
uh,
Okay.
retest ng breakout.
Okay. So yeah, I think would have the same type of trade idea. RSA 70 din siya, CH na siya as of the moment. Actually guys, may bobo akong ginawa dito. I actually bought SGP at this day, at a breakout day at around 1308. So yung AP ko dito. Tapos, sabi ko, kulang ako sa cash, kailangan gusto kong mag-add sa isang hawak ko, no? Actually, I'm gonna name it. I'm looking at to add Balay in case it will continue. So sabi ko, weak candle dito. Tapos, ngayon, today, sabi ko, it's retracing. Baka it can still go lower at 13 or 12 below. So sabi ko, benta ko na lang. Benta ko na lang. As cash. Okay, I know that's stupid, guys, but wala talaga siyang reason for selling. I just wanna make sure na may cash ako to add just in case Balay continues. And I got out from this stock. Ganda para sana ng entry ko, no? But ayun, may mga times na ganun. May mga bumubulong na mga little voices, no? Tapos nasusundan natin, guys. So, hopefully we'll see a retest and maybe a good trend will happen with the SGP. So, yun lang yung comments ko so far kay SGP. So, siguro last three stocks before we end. Let's go with nickel. Nickel, ayan. So for nickel, what do you think? RM, are you good with this? No?
Pass.
Okay.
Pass,
Pass.
pass.
So nag ano siya, nag-breakout siya here because of the strong mining sector, but wait lang, tignan muna natin yung mini guy. Ano ba yung chart ni mini? Wala siya dito. Wala siya, guys. Tingnan ko nga sa isa. Mini siya, tama ba? Mini is the mining sector. Oh, retrace din pala yung nag-retrace yung mining ano. Okay. So nickel for me this is pass. The reason why I'm saying pass, no, out of the mining sectors, may mas maganda pa na mas maraming maganda sa kanya. And then, what we want to see is the stock that we're holding, dapat hindi sumasabay sa PSE. Pag nagre-retrace yung PSE, dapat yung retracement or at least man lang ginagawa niya is breaking out or very little retracements. So ngayon, so, I'd say pass on it. All right. We'll go with Wilcon, I think. Next would be Wilcon. Ayan, RM, what do you think about Wilcon?
Smash yan, smash.
Smash. Ako din, smash din to, no? We have a good consolidations over here. Definitely a good stock to pick. Fundamentals is very good as well. Alam ko hindi ako nag-funda, no? Pero based from earnings, it's doing very well. And it's trying to recover. So, let's see, a breakout of 33 might be very good for this. So, tignan natin. But definitely a smash. Ikaw, RM, kung iti-trade mo to, sa mo to i-enter?
Sa ano, 20 MA.
20 MA. So, you wanna, magka-catch dito banda. Ay, oops. Wrong.
Tapos add na lang ng shares sa breakout.
Dito. Okay. That's a good, Alright, may nag-request dito, Ever daw, sabi ni Joshua B. Garcia. Alam ko, may shares siguro to sa, may shares siguro sa Ever to. Okay, Ever. Ito, RM. What do you think?
Pass? Pass muna.
Okay, bakit pass?
Pati ng weekly.
Okay, weekly daw.
Siguro kukunin ko siya na breakout, weekly breakout.
Weekly breakout. So somewhere at here.
Yes.
Maybe here.
Definitely watch.
Okay, watch. So Ever, no? Okay lah. So Ever, ako naman, yeah. Ever is very interesting, to be quite honest. It's just that be very careful in your size here, since malawit siya, guys, no? So in case it breaks out, goods. If not, you're saying something?
Masakit yung niyan. Masakit yung per flock niya. Per move.
Yeah, masakit. I think 3% per flock to eh. Yeah. But to be quite honest, guys, I'm not gonna be focusing too much about this stock personally, because range siya talaga for me, and then yun din, yung wiki na masyado, parang hindi ko matake kung ganito. So, yun lang naman. Gusto natin talaga, guys, if we're looking at good stocks na will give us big amount of money in the fastest amount of time, those stocks na talaga na nag-uptrend na, nag-consolidate, tapos potentially continuation. So, dito tayo namimili somewhere here, or maybe here at the breakout. So, we want to make sure that ganyan yung gagawin niya, 'di ba? Ito si Everett still in the base. So, kaya medyo nagdadalawang isip ako. Pero stocks like, say for example, Balay, stocks like SCC, we have ABA, those are stocks that are very strong and are already in uptrend. So kaya ako siya, TOGS too. TOGS, SSI. So those are stocks that's very interesting for me for potential continuation. I think we'll have the last one. We'll go Espinec. Ayan. Pero si SPNEC, SRO siya kanina, right? If I'm not mistaken. So SPNEC, gap down siya, and then closed this one. What are your thoughts, RM?
Ano yan? Smash sa atin yan.
Okay, smash.
Pero, siguro I'll make my move on a breakout.
Okay. So, breakout here.
Yes.
Is that what you're looking at? Okay, sige. This is a smash for me, but like I mentioned, I'm waiting for confirmation. Up until there's no confirmation, I'm not gonna trade this stock. If no breakout will happen from 180 to 190, wala akong gagawin dyan. I'm just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna, force any trades for this stock. Hintay ng confirmation for me. If it breaks, then yes, we'll take the trade. But if not, then no. Okay? So may interesting sinabi si Alex Villegas, no? Sabi niya, better names to look at are those names that is in stage 2 advance, where 96% of the big winners are in. That is true. And that is actually the studies of Mark Minervini. So sa mga traders out there who really wants to, learn more about bases and stuff like that. A good book would be books ni Mark Minervini. It's actually a USEC, US investment champion, for 2 times already. So if you wanna look at those names and some of the datas, andun sa mga books niya, very interesting. All right. So sabi ni Dean, I think for this session solely on PSE, pero sa loob ng TR we do. Anong to? Okay. So Forex pala, like gold. Oh, okay. Yeah, some people are looking at gold and pero I think no. I-check ko na lang yung chart later. But then again, I think that's it for our session for today. So I hope may nakuha kayo na. Arian, before we end, may mga shout out ka ba dyan or greet? Baka meron kang
gusto i-greet. Sila yung mga tropa natin sa sa PR. Yan sila Beck. Yan sila Nes. Yan sila Sir Manny. So yun lang.
Shout out sa inyo. Si
taga-suporta natin.
Okay. So sila Beck, ayan, yan lang mga very close kay RM, inside the Trading Republic. So RM, thank you very much for giving us an hour of your time and spending your time here charting with us, and hope maraming audience natin, listeners, were able to get some of the things that and catch up sa how a trader really thinks, and especially coming from you who's been trading in the market for for 5 years already. Nakakuha ng glimpse on how you look at chart and how you watch list and potential execute the trade. So again, RM, thank you very much, and to you guys, thank you for listening every Monday 3 p.m. Hopefully na maraming kaming naaambag for the last few sessions that we had here. And again, technical intensive, last week of registration, guys. So click on the link provided if you want to join our class that will start on August 29. Tech, yung link. Bigay natin yung link. Okay, ayun. All right, thank you very much. So click on the link provided below, guys. And then again, this has been your host, Yuri. Stay delicious, guys. You're delicious. We're out, and thank you very much again. Good afternoon. Arian, thank you very much. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Gusto mo bang mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.